They're all in line. And they're off. And a good start for Excellent Eagle from the inside gate, and he quickly opens up 2.5 lengths on the field. From the outside, Cucucho is in the second spot. Cape Hayes now moves into second. They're followed by Southern Renegade, who's moving fast down along the rail. Then it's Victory at Shiloh. No speed from Rhythm with him today. And the trailer is the firster, Winning Money, as they move for the far turn. Excellent Eagle and Luis Colon on the engine. They lead it by almost 3. Cape Hayes and Southern Renegade out after him from second and third. Then Cucucho outside of Victory at Shiloh. They make their way to the quarter pole. Excellent Eagle still the leader. It's Excellent Eagle in front as they come to the head of the stretch. Excellent Eagle turns him on down. Cape Hayes is out after him. Victory at Shiloh closing in on the grandstand side. Then Southern Renegade, but they haven't gotten to Excellent Eagle. Excellent Eagle opening up, in fact, in mid-stretch. Excellent Eagle at big odds, and he leads it by 4.5 lengths as they come down to the line. Excellent Eagle gets it done this afternoon. Victory at Shiloh was second. Rhythm with him in Southern Renegade.